She walked there on the road to nowhere, watched her life passing by, but there seemed to be no end to this harsh reality. Countless lost apologies rumbling in her mind, but this time she goes, I'm gonna get there no matter what. No, life's not hard when you have guts. And then she gets off her knees, brushes off the dust, winds and taking a May-Beiseina in a cot. When life knocks her down, she just gets back up. Winds and taking a May-Beiseina in a cot. She takes a knee and prays to the God above. Figures he was always there when she seemed to need love, and the people watch and stare. But she's had enough, and it's tough when she's seen too much and lived too much, and everything she ever loved was always out of touch. But then she gets off her knees, brushes off the dust, winds and taking a May-Beiseina in a cot. When life knocks her down, she just gets back up. Winds and taking a May-Beiseina in a cot. She gets off her knees, brushes off the dust, winds and taking a May-Beiseina in a cot. When life knocks her down, she just gets back up. Winds and taking a May-Beiseina in a cot.